Yeah. See it? Oh. So now I know. I definitely like want to cut it right out. Hey, Kevin, while I'm down there, can you just make sure that nothing starts slipping and falling? Like legs aren't coming apart and shit. I'm gonna put on my harness just for this one. What a beautiful morning. Oh, praise God. Yes, you did, Mason. Yeah. You got to do your hair on a Monday? Because it's Monday. I know. What are you wearing to work, bud? Kevin, you can't. There she is. There's that big girl. There's that big girl. There she is. How's the lift looking? Everything's looking all right? We're still level? Oh, what's that noise? Huh? Okay. No codes? No, I think it shouldn't be. Well, it's not beeping, so. I can swing over, right? I'm not going to hit nothing. You ain't never seen an ass like that. Hey, Mason, do me a favor and hit that switch the other way. I thought I turned it off, but Cause when you hit it, it never stopped beeping. Okay, now it's beeping. So what's that? Is it not beeping now? No, well, we don't want it to beep. No, it shouldn't be beeping. Okay. Yeah, I know, but did we turn off the sensor or did we? Yeah, is there like a on or off position? On. Okay, all right. Well, that's the thing, it's level, so I don't know why it would be beeping. So turn it off. All right. It's a little weird. I think you're right. This is pretty sketch. It just sucks because there's like branches that are going to keep me from getting as high as I want to be, I think. No, that's the thing. It shouldn't be beeping at all because we're level. So I think when you turn it on, it beeps to let you know that you're overriding, and it doesn't turn off until it's off. So it's off. You guys are getting confused with it beeping being on, because when it's beeping, it means that the sensor is off so that you can keep working. It doesn't turn off until you shut the thing off. Try not to be right under, okay? All right. Alrighty. Oh, okay. Everything all right down there? Okay. Do I look like I'm about more than halfway up? Yeah. Okay. So, the problem I'm having now is that there's a huge branch that's gonna let me go up even more. So I gotta come back down and take care of that, and then I'll be able to get higher. I don't want to risk this right now. Let's see, if I go this way, this should pop me up. And my and then can I go this way? Which we can. And then am I this way?